Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel, and today is day 9 of this advent calendar. So let's see what's inside. Let me put it aside, and then we've got this beautiful really juicy green color with those leaves, and it says 9, and who is the designer? Made to surprise. So let's see what's inside. So we've got some papers. It's like animal print. How many do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, we've got 6 papers, and there are, I think, 4 by 6. Yeah, just over 4 1/4 by 6. Not even 6. No, 5 3/4. So I think I'm going to make another 4 by 6 card. Let's see what I can create. I have to think about it because I don't really do animal print, but I think I should be able to create something. So let me prepare some products as always, and I will be back with another tutorial. So I wasn't sure what I'm going to do with those papers, and I discovered that I actually bought recently this collection by Crafter's Companion, which is called Wild at Heart. I've got few elements from this collection, not full collection, but I got those glasses and champagne glasses, and they're so nice, so I put 2 of them together. I cut myself a mat which measures 3 3/4 and 5 3/4, and sometimes what I do, I actually cut elements from that mat, because of course you're not going to see that, so I'm just saving some paper this way, and I'm running low on that color, so that's why I decided to cut it. So let me put it on my card. So that's the mat, 3 3/4 by 5 3/4 for the card base, measuring 4 by 6 inches. So that's the first layer, and I really like the way this color looks with this is it zebra print? I think it is. And this one is 3 1/2 by 5 1/2. And of course it's going to be quite simple, but because of the pattern paper, it's really so detailed, I think it will look really nice. So I'm placing that oval shape flat without any foam pads, and I think I'm going to add some foam pads for those glasses, but I will actually do it off camera because I actually forgot that to prep this one. So let me put the double-sided 3D foam pads, and I will be back. I added those foam pads, and now I'm going to add a little bit of glue just to make it stronger, and then I will adhere it to my card. I hope it's going to be fine this way. And then the second one, I really want it to be raised a little bit because I think it will look much better. And this one will be like so. And then I really wanted to add some gems, so let me put those here, and another 2 on this side. So of course I'm still using those ones which I showed you the other day as well. I really like them. And the little one. And now I have to pick a sentiment. I was looking at the sentiments from the other day from another box, but I think I will go for those. I've got this metallic stickers quotation by Tim Holtz, and I've seen some nice one. Let's celebrate. So I'm going to use that one, but shall I add some foam pads? Or is it going to be open? Okay, I think I need to add some foam pads at the end and in the center. I hope I will just manage to do that. So let me add a little bit. It's going to be a bit tricky because it's sticky, but let's do it because I think it needs that extra support. So going to cut small pieces, I think, the best. And I think I need my tweezers for that. And the card is almost ready. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you're going to create, and of course I will be checking Facebook groups and Katarina and Mel, what they're going to create, what they're thinking about this box. So does it want to stick? It's fine. Let me just double check, because it has to be like so. Yeah, I think it's fine. Let me just use my mat to make sure that the sentiment is actually straight, because it's not that easy. You probably know, if you create that, it's not easy to put straight. I've got that special ruler which I use sometimes, but for speed I will just do without this time. A little bit of glue and my card is ready. Okay, let me make it straight. Yeah, and I really like it. I like that a black sentiment, and it's just perfect. I think I like it a lot. So let me know, what do you think about this card? Would you create something like this, or you had completely different idea? I'm really looking forward to read your comments. If you like it, give me thumbs ups. Write some comment. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe, because this way I can create more and more content if I see that people like what I create. So also remember about that notification bell, so you're not going to miss any more videos from me. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow at 7 a.m. again. Bye for now.